Today we're going to build a box to house our lights from our aquaponics system. I only have one of them out here right now. We're going to build this box to help prevent light spillage because it's really bright. So we'll have a little bit of a shroud and that will help cut down on some of the glare coming off of it. Number two, to help secure this wire a little bit better. I'm a little concerned that this may eventually cut into the wire plastic and cause a short. So this will allow us to kind of contain all the wiring within the box and then have one that goes out instead of having multiple wires sticking out everywhere. And thirdly, just to make it look a little prettier. So it'll be a nice dark stain on some cheap pine, and that'll be mounted with some chain. Here's my little crude drawing, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully my measurements are right, but the panels themselves are 11 3/4 inches. So this way, if you ever decide to use this kit, you know what size you're getting into, so you can help plan where you're actually going to put it. All right, let's get started. Well, there it is, it's all done. I added a piece of wood just to kind of help offset the weight balance issue of the power supplies and the extension cord and so on. It seems to make it sit pretty level. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.